Hello guys, in this video we'll monitor DHT11 sensor data of temperature and humidity on our Blynk cloud server, and we'll also display it on our OLED display. So let's get started. First we'll take our on start event node. To connect with Wi-Fi, we'll take a Wi-Fi start node, connect the flow. In the Wi-Fi start node, we'll configure a Wi-Fi, specify Wi-Fi SSID, specify Wi-Fi password. In the output, we'll get success code. On interval of every 1 second, we'll take data from our DHT11 sensor data and we'll send it to our Blynk cloud server and we'll monitor from there. So we'll take a DHT11 node. We'll configure our DHT11 node. We have to specify pin. Here we'll specify pin 13. Click on add, and output we get two parameters, temperature and the humidity. Click on done. To display on OLED, we need to change the data type of temperature and humidity, which is number, to text. For that, we'll take a convert text node. Connect with the flow in the convert text node. Will specify our conversion number to text. Pass a variable. Here we'll pass our temperature variable, and in the output we'll get two parameters, converted text and converted number. So let's rename the converted text variable as temperature. Let's take one more convert text node. Connect with the flow. Here we'll pass our number to text. We'll pass our humidity variable. In the output parameter we get two parameters, converted text and converted number. So let's rename our converted text output variable as humid. Click on done. To display on OLED, we'll first clear our OLED display. For that, we'll take a OLED clear node. We'll connect with a flow. Go to its property, configure OLED. Here SCL pin 19 and SDA pin 22. Click on the add. Done. We'll take a OLED draw node to print our temperature and humidity data on it. In the OLED draw property, we'll select the OLED config. Shape type, we'll select text, x-axis 0 and y-axis 0. Text color white. In the text string, we'll say temperature. We'll use an operator to append our string and variable. We'll pass our temperature variable, which data type is text. Click done. We'll take one more .text node. Let's copy and paste it. Connect with the flow. Here in place of temperature we'll say humidity, and we'll pass our variable humid, which has humidity data. Click on done. Let's go to our Blynk cloud. Go to templates, create a new template, name it as DHT11. Click on done. I have same template. I have the template with same name, so I have to name something different. DHT1. Click on done. Go to web dashboard. Select chart. Go to its settings. Create data stream, virtual pin. I'm selecting your pin P0. Let's select here as units as Celsius, minimum value 0 and maximum value 100. Default value 0. Click on create area column. We can select our chart type. We can let's keep it as chart, chart only. Auto scale, enable zoom, show legend. We'll select. Click on save. We'll take one more chart, one for temperature and second for humidity. Go to settings, create new, virtual pin V1, units, Celsius, minimum value 0, maximum value 100, and we'll rename our title as humidity. Click on create, auto scale. Let's keep its color as orange. Enable zoom, show legend, enable it, and click on save. Let's save our dashboard. Go to home, add new device. Before I need to delete one of my template. Device template, choose template DHT1, click on create. We have successfully created our dashboard. Copy its authenticity. Go to in the Blynk dashboard, documentation. We'll get the get data stream value. Here it's our API of get request where we send our temperature and humidity variable value. So just copy this. Go to our Smowcode studio. Let's take an HTTP request node. Connect with the flow. The get request will paste the variable in the server address. Give my server address. For the token, go to our dashboard, go to device info, copy authentication token, and enter it. Pin, you have to specify a pin. For my temperature, chart pin is V0, so I'll say V0. But by this I can only get its data. So to update the data, I have to take out update data stream value. Go to update data stream value. Here, copy this one. You have to just API get, you have to just replace the API get from update, and all patterns same, and pin equals to a value. Here we'll append our temperature temp variable. The response will get the response of a get request and the status code. Click on done. We'll copy this node and we'll paste it and connect with the flow. Here in the stream URL, we need to just make a small change, V0, V1 will replace with V1, and the temperature variable will be replaced with the humidity variable. And click on done. You also need to make sure that we are connected to Wi-Fi before making the GET request. So for that, we'll make a global variable of our Wi-Fi success code. The initial value 1, and when the Wi-Fi is connected, the success code becomes 0. So for that, we'll take a if node that would be specified condition that if the success code is equals to 0, execute the next nodes. Let's save the flow, verify the flow, and there's some error. It says temperature used in properties, initialization of variable temperature used in property text not found. Create a global variable with this name. I guess we have used same variable name twice. Let's check in the temperature. Maybe here we have small t, convert to text, and the draw text, yeah, now it's I guess perfect. Let's go to our Blynk dashboard. Yeah, as you can see, we got some data here.